10 British drinks the whole world can't stop loving. Britain has a remarkable way of creating drinks that travel far beyond its borders. Some were born in cozy kitchens, others in long-standing factories, and a few came from unexpected bursts of creativity. Yet all of them share one thing: they've found loyal fans around the globe. From fruity childhood favorites to energizing pick-me-ups and iconic teas, British beverages have shaped tastes in countless countries. Today, we're exploring 10 British drinks the whole world can't stop loving, the flavors that carry a little bit of Britain wherever they go. 10. Ribena. There are childhood memories, and then there is Ribena, the drink that feels like a hug from a simpler time. Created in the 1930s by British scientists, Ribena was originally made to boost vitamin C intake during times when citrus fruits were scarce. Blackcurrants, naturally rich in vitamin C, grew easily in the British climate, making them the perfect base. What started as a nutritional drink quickly evolved into a beloved household staple. It became famous for its deep purple color, sweet tart flavor, and the way it blended beautifully with water, sparkling water, or ice. Over the years, Ribena traveled far, especially through British expats who carried their love for it abroad. Today, Ribena has strong fan bases across Asia, the Middle East, and the Caribbean. Some countries enjoy it chilled. Others prefer it warm, especially during rainy seasons. There are sparkling versions, ready-to-drink bottles, concentrated syrups, and even Ribena ice lollies. Its global success comes from its timeless flavor: comforting, fruity, and unmistakably British. 9. PG Tips. If Britain had a heartbeat, it would probably sound like the clink of a teaspoon hitting a mug of tea. And among the most treasured names in that world is PG Tips. First sold in the 1930s, the brand quickly rose to fame with its strong, satisfying flavor and its cheeky marketing campaigns. But what really helped PG Tips become a global sensation was the pyramid-shaped tea bag introduced in the 1990s. This simple innovation allowed tea leaves to move more freely, unlocking richer flavors. Tea lovers abroad noticed the difference, and PG Tips gained a loyal following in countries where British tea culture carries a certain charm, from Ireland to the Netherlands to parts of Africa and Asia. For many people, PG Tips is their first introduction to proper British tea. Easy to brew, smooth to sip, and wonderfully comforting, it continues to be a drink that travels with expats, tourists, and fans of British culture. 8. Irn-Bru. If personality were a drink, it would be Irn-Bru. This bright orange Scottish original has been around since 1901 and has built a reputation unlike any other. It's fizzy, sweet, and filled with a flavor people often struggle to describe. Some say it tastes fruity, others say it's candy-like, and many just shrug and say, it tastes like Irn-Bru. Irn-Bru's boldness is part of what makes it internationally loved. Scottish communities around the world played a huge role in spreading it, especially in Canada, the US, New Zealand, and Australia. Over time, curious locals tried it, and many fell in love with its unique character. Despite changing times, Irn-Bru remains a drink that sparks nostalgia. People who grew up with it often describe their first sip as a rite of passage. Even those outside the UK enjoy its eccentric charm, especially in places where British foods and drinks are celebrated. 7. Twinings Tea. You know a brand is iconic when it has been around for more than 300 years. Twinings, founded in 1706, is one of the world's most respected tea names. The company's London shop on the Strand is still open today, making it one of the oldest continuously operating shops in the world. Twinings became a global powerhouse by offering consistent quality and a wide variety of blends. Earl Grey, English breakfast, Lady Grey, Darjeeling, and dozens of herbal infusions have shaped the world's idea of British tea. Twinings teas are sold in more than 100 countries, appearing in hotels, airplanes, cafes, and supermarkets everywhere. Part of Twinings' success lies in the brand's balance between tradition and innovation. While they honor classic British blends, they also experiment with modern flavors like lavender, lemon, chamomile, and ginger. This ability to stay relevant while preserving heritage has made Twinings a timeless favorite. 6. Lucozade. Few drinks have reinvented themselves as successfully as Lucozade. Back in 1927, it was created as a drink to help people recover, something given to children when they felt unwell. In fact, it was originally called Glucosade, reflecting its purpose as a source of quick energy. But in the 1980s, Lucozade transformed into a sports and lifestyle drink. Its rebranding was one of the most effective in British advertising history. Suddenly, it wasn't just a recovery drink, it became a fitness staple. The bright orange bottle and energizing citrus flavor became instantly recognizable. Today, Lucozade is enjoyed worldwide, especially in Europe, Africa, and parts of Asia. Athletes use it for quick energy, office workers sip it for a midday boost, and students rely on it during long study sessions. It's a British drink that crossed borders simply by being refreshing, reliable, and bursting with flavor. 5. Cadbury. Hot chocolate. There is comfort, and then there is Cadbury hot chocolate, the drink that feels like wrapping yourself in a warm blanket on a cold evening. Cadbury, founded in Birmingham in 1824, has long been associated with smooth, creamy chocolate, and its hot chocolate drink extends that legacy. The reason this drink is so beloved worldwide is simple. It's indulgent without being overwhelming. Made with Cadbury's signature cocoa style, it blends beautifully with warm milk or water. Its creamy texture and sweet taste make it a favorite in countries with colder climates, but it's still enjoyed in warm regions as a dessert drink. Cafes across the world use Cadbury hot chocolate as their base for luxurious hot cocoa creations. From mugs topped with whipped cream to versions blended with spices or marshmallows, Cadbury has found its place everywhere from Europe to the Caribbean to South America. 4. Pimm's. If there is a drink that captures British summertime in a glass, it's Pimm's. Created by James Pym in London in the 1840s, Pimm's No. 1 cup started as a gin-based digestive served with herbs and citrus. Over time, it became the star of garden parties, picnics, and outdoor celebrations. The classic Pimm's drink, mixed with lemonade, mint, cucumber, strawberries, and oranges, has a refreshing, slightly herbal character that feels perfect on warm days. While it remains a British tradition, it has also charmed global audiences. In Australia, New Zealand, the US, and parts of Europe, Pimm's is a summer favorite, especially among those who enjoy British culture. Its appeal comes from its simplicity. Light, fruity, and easy to enjoy. It's not too strong, not too sweet, and endlessly customizable. For many people overseas, a glass of Pimm's is a taste of British elegance and relaxation. 3. Assam and English breakfast blends. While tea leaves often come from India, Sri Lanka, Kenya, and China, the blends themselves, especially English breakfast, are British creations. In the 19th century, British tea merchants experimented with different combinations to create a strong, full-bodied morning tea that could handle milk. The result was the English breakfast blend, which quickly became a global favorite. Universally served in hotels, cafes, and homes, English breakfast tea is often people's first experience with British-style tea drinking. Rich, bold, and smooth, it remains one of the most consumed teas in the world. Assam, on the other hand, is not British in origin, but British tea culture helped popularize it globally. Many iconic British blends include Assam tea for its malty depth. Together, these blends show how deeply British tastes have influenced global tea habits. 2. Guinness. While Guinness is an Irish original, its story is closely linked with Britain through trade, brewing partnerships, and deep cultural integration. It is one of the most widely enjoyed drinks in British pubs and has become a major part of UK nightlife and celebrations. What makes Guinness globally loved is its unmistakable character. The rich, creamy texture and deep roasted flavor set it apart from lighter beers. Its iconic appearance, dark body topped with a smooth white head, has made it one of the most photographed drinks in the world. Guinness is sold in more than 150 countries and brewed in over 40, making it one of the most successful beverages ever created. Fans around the world describe it as a drink with personality, bold, comforting, and memorable. 1. Coca-Cola's British variants, especially Coke Zero UK formula. Coca-Cola is American by birth, but the UK has developed unique formulations that many people around the world adore. Visitors often talk about the smoother, less sweet flavor of British Coke Zero and Diet Coke versions. The difference comes from ingredient variations, including the types of sweeteners used and subtle recipe adjustments. People who travel frequently between countries often comment that British variants taste cleaner and lighter. Some even stock up on UK-made bottles before flying home. These versions have gained cult followings online and in expat communities, turning them into unofficial global favorites. Though not a British brand, the UK's influence on the taste and popularity of these drinks is undeniable. From fruity classics to timeless teas and energizing favorites, British drinks have made their mark far beyond home shores. Each sip carries a hint of tradition, comfort, and character. The very things the world loves about Britain. No matter where you go, these flavors continue to travel with us. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell